Welcome to Devart SQL Complete Tutorials. In this video, we will show you how to scrutinize your code and improve its quality using the integrated T-SQL CodeAnalyzer of SQL Complete. T-SQL CodeAnalyzer is a handy tool that helps you make sure your T-SQL code conforms to your precisely defined rules, guidelines, and best practices. The main principle is very simple. You write a query, you run the analyzer, you get the verdict. It's a nice way for individual developers to keep things in order, but it becomes even more valuable within entire development teams, in a way similar to SQL formatting standards, which can be just as well delineated and adopted via SQL Complete. Let's see how it works. Open a new query document and insert any piece of T-SQL code that you want to analyze. Right-click anywhere on the document and select Analyze Code from the shortcut menu. Now give it a while until the code is analyzed. When it's done, all the warnings and errors, if any, will appear on the error list so you can conveniently examine them. First, we haven't specified the columns and their order in the Insert Into clause. This may cause issues with refactoring in the future, so we'd better make a fix. Second, we should specify the schema name in the From clause. This clarification will help us avoid possible errors with tables and views of the same name but belonging to different schemas. Additionally, this will speed up the search for the required object, which is good performance-wise. Third, we can further boost the speed of our query by specifying the index hint. Okay, now let's run the analyzer once again to see if our fixes helped. Yes, the error list is empty, which means our code is perfect. You can tailor the analyzer's settings to your needs and preferences. For instance, you can configure the rules, or sets of rules, that the analysis will be based on. To do that, go to the SQL Complete menu, Options, Code Analysis, Profiles. Here you can create new analysis profiles, add existing profiles to your library, edit them, and set any of them as active. As you can see, now we've got just one profile at hand, the default one. So let's take a closer look at it by double-clicking. Every profile contains a selection of rules, which are divided into several groups. For example, best practice rules make sure your code is clean and readable. Performance rules focus on the high performance of your queries. Deprecated rules help you avoid using deprecated constructs, etc. Here you can scrutinize these groups and rules in detail. And as you can see, all the checkboxes are selected by default. Clear the ones you don't need and click Save As to get yourself a custom profile. Specify a name and a path for it, set it as the active profile if you want, and click OK. Done. Now it's all up to you. Download a free 14-day trial of Devart SQL Complete today, give it a go, and see the integrated T-SQL CodeAnalyzer in action. Like if you've enjoyed the video, share your thoughts in the comment section below, and subscribe to our channel to get the latest database tutorials. Thank you for watching.